Hey, it's Christy, and here today I'm about to talk to you about the Dyson vacuum. Now, Dyson vacuum is amazing. I love it. The one that's the upstick one. Upstick? I think that's what it's called. Anyways, the vacuum, the Dyson animal vacuum. I have 5 pets, so I need it. And it's expensive, but it's worth it. However, the battery is complete poop. And after 3 years, the battery died. And this is the one that I have. I love it. It's gorgeous. It's cute. It really cleans up everything. It's so easy to use. It's lightweight. It doesn't hurt my wrist. It really just like maneuvers all around. But the battery degraded after 3 years. So I'm going to show you in this video what happened, how long it took, and what I did to replace it. So keep watching.
So this is the specific battery replacement that I bought off of Amazon. I will link it below. It looks exactly like the other battery from Dyson at a fraction of the price. I believe the Dyson one was $100 or almost $100, and this one was $46. But before I show you how to install it, I'm going to show you why I had to install it. I bought this vacuum in 2017, and after only 3 years, I wanted to show you how long it actually took before this battery died. But after only 3 years, the battery completely degraded over time, and now it will only last for a few minutes, which completely sucks because that doesn't even vacuum the entire house, because then I'd have to set it back to recharge before I can vacuum the entire house. Also, I have 5 pets, so having a vacuum readily available is necessary. And here it comes. I'm going to show you. The battery died, and it only lasted 3 minutes and 52 seconds. And that does not fly with me. So I got my package in for the new battery, and now I'm going to show you how to install it. The package comes with 2 filters and the battery itself. I didn't really need to change the filters were still fine, but the battery definitely needed to change, as you saw earlier. And it was actually really easy to install. I just used a small screwdriver, and you unscrew the 2 screws on the back and then the 2 on the bottom. And once you unscrew those, then the battery just slides right off, and then you can just insert the new one right in. And this is just to show the difference between the 2. It looks exactly the same, except the new one works so much better.
So a quick little video of an update since I've installed that battery. It works. 1. 2, it lasts a lot longer than the previous one, even when it was brand new. Before, we could probably do maybe the upstairs and maybe down the stairs, but now I can do it all of the upstairs, the stairs, downstairs, and still have enough juice left for any other additional vacuuming that I need. And also, when I put it on the max, it stays on longer. Before, when the battery was starting to die out, if you put it on the max, whatever max is, it would only last for maybe a few seconds, maybe a minute. Not really a minute, probably like 30 seconds, and then it would die. Now I can run max for a good long while before it starts. You can see the 3 blinkers go down in juice. So great product. I recommend it if your battery is starting to die or you've noticed that your battery isn't holding enough charge. So And thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop them below. If you have any comments, please drop them below. If you liked this video, then you should probably subscribe there and watch a video here. All right, thanks everyone. Bye.